So many of you have asked me how I style my hair, and today I am sharing with you how I use my Dyson Airwrap ID Curl to get these beautiful bouncy beachy waves that are good for days. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I finally upgraded to the new Dyson Airwrap ID Curl. Prior to this, I had the very original Dyson Airwrap, and I have to say, the newer version is so much better. Dyson did upgrade quite a few things, and as someone that had the very original and did not upgrade until now, I think this is a huge step in the right direction. First thing I love is the two new barrels. I love the two sizes. I love the fact that this one creates kind of very tight curls. And I also love that you only need a one for both sides. Now this is new to me because again, I did have the very original one where you needed two different barrels for each side. So this makes it so much more convenient where you just turn the knob for whichever side that you want to curl your hair. And I absolutely love this. I also feel that this is stronger. It keeps the curls for days, whereas the original, I did not think it was as strong. The upgraded version does have ID Curl, and this does have Bluetooth capabilities where it connects to your phone via the Dyson app, and essentially it makes your Airwrap hands-free. All you have to do is push the button up, and that registers with your phone, and the minute you press it up, it goes ahead and places a timer where it gives you some time to curl your hair, and then it creates that heat in there where it wraps your hair, and then it automatically does the cool shot for you and then lightly turns the device off so that you can remove the curl, and then you have these beautiful bouncy curls with minimal effort. It's actually very helpful for me because I felt with the original version I wasn't sure how long to keep the curl and how long to press the cool button. Also, it was a little bit finicky where whenever I would press the cool button I had to keep it all the way to the top and then just hold it there, whereas with this one I just press it once, go ahead and curl, the app does everything for me, and then I just go ahead and release. So that is definitely a great upgrade. I am also in love with this color. It is this beautiful baby pink and also has this very beautiful metallic pink as well. It is gorgeous. It has the plum purple on there. I really love this color, and it is actually the reason why I wanted to upgrade because I was happy with the original. These are very expensive, so you want to make use of your money, but the original came out about 6-7 years ago, and that is what I've been using, and it's still perfectly fine, but I think that it was time to upgrade, and because I use this so much, I think that it's definitely worth it for me at least. Now let me show you how I styled my hair using my new Dyson Airwrap. I'm starting off with my natural hair. I did wash it last night. Usually I do wash my hair every night. I know some people say do not wash your hair every single day, but I just cannot help it. I have to, and I'm a nighttime shower type of person. So my hair has been washed last night, and this is what it looks like. So it is pretty thick. I have natural waves in my hair, so I have no problem in keeping curls in my hair. For those of you that have thinner hair, I would highly recommend you use products to your advantage. So apply a thickening type of serum or even a mousse prior to air wrapping. That would be your way of keeping your curls. I find that my curls last a long time just because I do have thicker hair. I already have a natural wave. The heat is just going to set it where I want it. So I start off by parting my hair. I go ahead and use a hair tie to start off with. Now I am going to clip it later on, but this is just what I do, and I usually do like a tiny bun just because I do have very long hair and I don't want it to interfere with the bottom part. Now we are going to go for a quicker type of beach wave curls type of look. Now if you don't want to do that, then I would suggest you go ahead and air wrap the bottom half as well. But when I want something really quick, I go ahead and use the big barrel. First, I'm going to start off by spraying this heat protector, and this also wets my hair just a little bit. So that is why it honestly works for me to use the Dyson Airwrap on my hair when it's dry. I actually prefer it that way. All right, so now let's go ahead and put the round brush, and this is going to be loud. Turn it on. once I've used the big brush to smooth out the bottom and curl it, I go ahead and use a large clip and just clip the bottom half. And this is just one side. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. This side is all done, and as you can see, it's nice and smooth and still retains that nice wave to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that up and then clip it to the back. And then we're going to start with the top part. For the top half of my hair, I am going to clip half of it just on one end. And if you are looking for these kind of clips, I will link them down below. I did purchase them from Amazon. Now I'm going to air wrap the top half. So I am going to use the heat protectant again. And I do somewhat drench it. Now, for those of you, again, that have very thin hair, I would recommend you use a spray that is more beneficial for your hair type to keep those curls. I'm going to use the bigger barrel today. I do want that very nice beachy type of thick waves. Otherwise, I would have used this one, but this is what we are going to use today. And this is going to give us the most beautiful, luscious, and luxurious curls. Removing the larger brush, I am going to insert my Airwrap. This new version of the Airwrap does have Bluetooth capabilities. So I went ahead and opened the Dyson app, and it is trying to search for my Dyson Airwrap. So I just go ahead and turn it on. Now that it's connected, I just go ahead and push up and then curl. And there is the first curl. As you can see, all of it is done via the app. And the app is waiting for me to push the button again so that it starts on the next curl. So that is one side all done. You want to try to not touch these curls at all. You want to allow them to cool as much as possible before you run your hands through them or run a brush through them. But it really is so important to go ahead and just let them cool down. Now I'm turning the knob on the top so that I can air wrap the other side. So those are the curls. As you can see, they are so bouncy. Now, again, I am not going to touch them, but I am going to apply some hairspray. So this is also going to help with the longevity of the curls themselves. All right, so whatever hairspray works for you, go ahead and use it and just wait it out. Go get dressed, make a snack. Just do not touch these curls. So I'm going to give it about 5 to 10 minutes, just go around about my day, and then I'll show you what the next step is. It's been about 8 minutes, so I think my hair is ready. The curls are nice and cool. Very important when you touch the curls. If they are still warm to the touch, do not touch them. They still need more time. So first I'm going to go ahead and pull down the bottom half. Let's take down the curls. These clips are really great. I really love them. Again, I will link them down below if you are interested in them. And these are just the waves that I did with the bigger brush. And as you can see, I didn't even need to air wrap them. It makes it so much quicker. And because I have so much hair, honestly, you can't even tell that I didn't air wrap the bottom half. I prefer to not use a brush just to keep those curls nice and bouncy, but I still want everything to be all blended together. And just look at how beautiful those curls are. It looks so good. I really do love the Dyson Airwrap. And if used properly for your hair type, you also love it too. Look at all of those beautiful, luxurious curls. And this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted a very nice beachy wave. If I wanted the curls to be tighter, then I would use this Airwrap here. This is going to make the curls so much tighter and have the curls all the way to the top. But for the look that I was going for today, I did not want that. So the bigger Airwrap, the bigger barrel, was perfect for me for this look. You guys always ask me about how I do my hair, and this is exactly what I do to get these beautiful, nice, bouncy curls. If you do have any questions about the Dyson Airwrap, please do leave them down in the description box below, and I will try my best to go ahead and answer them for you. Otherwise, that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I will see you in my next video.